welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this one to show you guys. This one original price was about $10.48 from Home Depot, and I was just searching online, compare the prices on Lowe's, Amazon, eBay, and then finally Home Depot, because when they sell this wax ring, this is a new merchandise. Let's go ahead and show you guys. This one is called the Next by Danco Perfect Seal. So you need to be careful. There are a couple types of this. One is just the wax ring alone, and this is the one with the wax ring with the bolts. Okay, that's why this one's supposed to cost more. I think the one without the hardware is like $9.98, and it has a limited lifetime warranty. I did some research before I bought this one. This one they rated 5-star for this kit, and then they come with the extra adapter in case your toilet flange is below the floor. You need that blue adapter so the water will not, or the toilet ring will not have a gap and the water will come out from there. So if your toilet floor is above the floor, you don't need that blue adapter, okay? And this one creates the perfect seal, and the seals, if there is a movement in the toilet or floor, can be repositioned, and then no mess. As you can see, if you see lots of YouTube videos, you need to peel off the plastic wrapping for those regular wax ring. And it might, if you squeeze it or whatever, it might go out of shape. Since the builder replaced a second time already, and we found it having the same problem, so I'm going to use this better seal and then see if this really works or not. Go ahead and show you guys real quick. So this is the hardware kit that come with it. Come with the washer, bolts, and those plastic to hold down the screw down. Oh, I'm glad they put a cover on here. So here is a wax ring. It's protected with this rubberized material. Come with this instruction. So this is the adapter that I'm talking about. If this is sit below the floor, or if you have if you got to remodel your house and you have put some new tile, you will need this special adapter so your toilet will not leak out. Okay. And there are the holes. There's a big one or the small one, depending what kind of screws you have. Okay. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.